Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a fringe wall. As you can see, I'm starting off with wrapping paper as my base. I am going to be taping it down to my wall. You can use any type of paper you would like, but I think wrapping paper is a good option. For the fringes, I am going to be using 9 tablecloths, and I'm going to put all of them on top of each other so it could make it easier for me to cut. Once I do that, I cut in half, and with those halves I am going to start cutting fringes. I am going to leave in between each fringe at least 1 inch. Do not do more than that because I don't think they're gonna look too nice. And from the top, at least 2 to 3 inches. Don't cut all the way. Once you have all those long pieces of fringes, you're going to cut at least 1 foot long of a fringe, and you are going to fold it in half and double it. Once you have that, you're going to be taping it on the previous wall we created, some in an angle, some in a V shape, some straight, so you can have different variety and different dimensions. You are going to be looking at the wall, seeing if it looks nice to you. If it doesn't, just make cuttings or add some more tassels. You want to see that fullness, so if there's some empty spaces or you can still see the back part of the wall, then add some more tassels so you can conceal that and give it some more volume. So I removed the wrapping paper carefully from the wall and I transported it to my backdrop stand. I am going to be covering all those sides with balloons. So once I have all those balloons filled up, I am going to be making clusters. So what you do is you get 2 balloons and you tie them together. You get 2 more balloons, you tie them together, and you make 4 and you put them together in between each other. Once you have all those clusters, you're going to be using the string and you're going to be wrapping that string around the balloons to tighten it. Once you do that, you're going to continue doing that basically with all the other balloons, just wrapping it around that string. You want them as close as possible, all those balloons. You don't want gaps in between, so try to push down the balloons and then wrap around with that string. Don't pull too hard because it could break. If it breaks, it's no problem. Just wrap it again with another new string and you're good to go. Once you have that, I kind of like all my balloons to have different shapes, different sizes. You could do the same exact size for all of them. Once you have that, you are going to put it on your stand. I was using that same string and I just tied it on each side. Once I did that, I went ahead and blew up all my other cute balloons that I had, and I just glued them together using hot glue gun, but the one that is not a high volume one, so that it doesn't pop the balloons. And that's how you do this beautiful backdrop. I hope you enjoyed it.